Rain or wind messing with your home project? Here's how to keep things moving without losing your mind. Alright, so first up, always keep an eye on the weather forecast like it's your favorite show. If rain or wind is coming, shuffle your schedule and hit the indoor stuff first. Painting walls, organizing tools, or even planning your next steps. When the weather's nice, get outside and tackle the heavy lifting or outdoor builds. Have a backup plan ready, like working on smaller, weatherproof tasks so you never waste a day. Don't forget to secure your materials and tools because a surprise gust or downpour can wreck your stuff fast. If you're working with contractors, keep the communication tight so everyone knows when to pause or push forward. Use weather apps that send alerts so you're not caught off guard. Lastly, be flexible with your timeline. Sometimes nature calls the shots, and that is totally okay. One of the biggest headaches with weather delays in home projects comes from not checking weather updates regularly. This leads to surprise cancellations and lost time. Fix it by setting daily reminders for weather checks. Another problem is poor planning when bad weather hits, like trying to do outdoor work during storms. Switch up your schedule to indoor tasks when bad weather is expected. A third common issue is not protecting materials and tools from rain or wind damage. Always cover or store everything safely to avoid costly replacements or repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for their skills, making sure everyone wins on their home projects.